Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Yesterday evening, a lady had come along with the officials of the British consulate in Goa, and they had given a complaint that the lady who was staying in ARAMBOL area had been raped by one person who had represented himself as a masseuse and had offered to give that lady a mud bath near Sweetwater Lake. So she had she had gone with that person near the Sweetwater Lake, and there this incident had happened where he had misbehaved with her and he molested that lady, and we have registered an offence under section 376 and other appropriate sections, and we have placed that person under arrest. So the accused is one person by the name of Joel. He is 22 years old and is a resident of Arambol. He basically tried to take advantage of that lady being alone at Sweetwater Lake, and he is not in the business of giving massages or anything, but he tried to take advantage of the situation and lured the lady by the prospect of giving her a massage.